Hi, welcome to Julie's Tips Learn How to Use Bulk. In this video, I'll explain how you can get started to unlock the power of building integrations and automation on top of your CRM data. First, you can access the API documentation through the link developer.folk.app. I'll share the link in the video description. In the doc, you'll find guides about our core concept, the API reference with available endpoints, a changelog with all the recent updates, and a roadmap for what's coming next. As of now, you can already perform the following actions with Folk API. Create contacts in Folk, people and companies. Update contacts in Folk, people and companies. Retrieve a list of people and a list of companies. Retrieve the list of native and custom fields. And finally, retrieve the list of groups. You'll find the API key in your Settings integration page to get started building your integrations. Sharing some examples of the most common integrations you can set up. Create a lead in Folk based on a form field in your website or any link, from Webflow, Typeform, Tally, and so on. Create or update a lead in Folk based on a meeting booked through your calendar, from Calendly or cal.com or any other tool. Or update a lead in Folk with a meeting transcript or a recording from your sales call, from Grain, TLDV, Fireflies, or any other tool. We'll keep improving the API in the coming month to bring more actions and triggers. Next step is creating and updating deals, notes, reminders, and interactions. If you want access, send us the request at support@folk.app.